Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about select, insert, update, delete statement in a SQL. And let's see how we write the scripts and how they are useful for us. So let's get started. I'm going to start using my prospect database. And let's see what table I'm going to use. I'm going to use this table called customer information. So first, number one, select statement. This is how you will gonna retrieve all your records from the customer information by select star, which is this is all my columns. I just pointed my cursor to my star, and it's showing all my columns that they are available right here. So by executing this query, I am retrieving every single column from my table that has 53 rows. Or if I want to be more specific, I can only calling the needed columns by specify the name of the column. Let me copy the table, borrower first name, and borrower last name, and give me the borrower email. So if I want to only execute this script, so I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to execute it. So this is uh, my retrieving data, and I can use order by to order my data. Let's say is order by the borrower first name descending. Descending is mean I want to start from the bottom to the top, which means start from W to A, like from Z to A, sorry. So this is how it starts. If I want to be more specific, I will put a where clause right here to filter my data. Let's say is where borrower first name equal to between a single quote. Let's choose this name. This. So this is my query regarding the select. And for the insert state statement, it will be like this. I'll just go down, insert into my table, and I'm gonna specify the columns that I want to insert my data to. So the first name and the last name, that's it so far. And we can say the values, which is I'm gonna choose this one as like yeah, Mike, and the last name, let's call it uh, Perez. So I'm inserting only one row, and everything that I didn't insert, it will be null values. It's mean it's empty. So let me see. My data that inserted data is right here. It's all the way at the bottom. Mike Perez. This data need to be cleaned. But anyway, see all these columns that I didn't insert any data to, it comes as a null. There is another way to insert data too. Insert into my table, and same thing with the column, the first and last name. I can say select. Select. The first name is Luis, and last name is I'm gonna say like Horbath. So let me see. This is the other way to insert the data. So Luis, it's right here. This is my first and last name, and anything is will be null. There is another way, to make a copy of my whole table. If if I have a project and I want to do uh, some testing and manipulate with my data, so I can simply make a copy of my table, select star into the customer name, like this name of the table underscore copy from this table. So I need all the data from this table into this table, into my second table. So this is a 55 records that's been established, and this is, here we go, my copy table of my customer, and it has the same records as the original one. So let's go to the third statement, which is update. Update state, statement or command. Here we'll say update my table name, set the borrower equal, like, I'm gonna say Ali, and the borrower last name equal to, let's say Muhammad. Oop. I have to use a where clause here. Without a where clause, I will, like, let me go back to here. I will name every single name into Ali and the last name to Muhammad. So with a where clause, I will, like, changing only the wanted record, which is, let me change this one into where the borrower first name equal to. So this is enough for me, but the basic practice is you have to choose a column that is unique. Don't deal with the first name or last name, because I have um, this is as a test table. I'm using the first name. The best practice is using the social security number or the ID of the employee, or anything is unique. Because in case you have a million of records and you are trying to change only one record, so you have to find a column that has a unique records, doesn't have any duplicate records. Otherwise, everything that matching your filter will be changed. So this is my column that's been changed, and here we go. This is Ali Muhammad in a state of soul. This is for the updating. And if you want, we want to delete state, delete from the table. Be careful with the delete. If you just say delete from the name of the table, which is this my name, it will delete everything without a filtering. But if you are filtering, you're gonna delete only the you know the mentioned records that you are gonna mention in your filter or in your where clause. So we can say where the borrower first name equal Ali. This is same thing. You have to use a unique record because in case if you have like thousands of the records with the first name of Ali, all these records with the first name Ali, they will be deleted. So you have to be sure when you are dealing with delete and update as well. Ali is gone. So this is how we are using the select, insert, update and delete statement. And we will see you in next videos. Thank you.